he was a real one, for sure. That's amazing, sir, but you've been up there for 45 minutes. We got other people that gotta speak, bro, come on. Oh, yeah, my fault, bro. Hey, rest in peace, bro. Much love. Thank you. Now, would anyone else like to speak on the young man's behalf before we wrap up this service? Yes, I would like to say something. Hey, ain't that one girl he wanted? Yeah, that is her. Who invited her? I don't even know. I just wanted to come up here and say rest in peace, and if he was still alive, I'd probably let him hit. You said you would what? Bro, I thought Jit was dead. Oh, nah, bro, I'm wide awake. Very much full of life. Nah, Jit tripping. I'm gonna go ahead and ask everyone to leave, please, while we get this situated. Oh, nah, ain't nobody leaving. Cause you said if I was still alive, you would do what? Cause I'm right here. What we doing? Nah, I thought Jit passed away. That's crazy.